I'm back. All right. This is the Diamond Art Club that I ordered back on Friday, April 5th. It came in April 8th, and it's the free diamond painting. You just have to pay shipping that I found on my Facebook feed. They had an advertisement. They've been having a lot of diamond painting advertisements, of course. But this one is the only one, since we've seen a lot of reviews of Diamond Art Club, that made me say, I want to get one and try it. So it said $9.95, but I ended up paying only $8.95 shipping. And it's the 4 season. They give you 3 to choose from. They give you the Blue Owl, 4 Seasons. There's another one. I don't know why I can't think of it. But sorry I wasn't prepared mentally for this. But I want to open it up. It's my first one. And I was thinking, since I've got it so fast, that maybe it is worth, you know, saving up that money and buying it from them. I might never get, you know, a whole $75 order for free shipping at once, but sorry, I got glitter from that one, that mess of a Houlihan one. The stickies stuck. I forgot what the other one was. It's like rattling my brain now. I'm sorry. I have you on an angle because there's so much sunlight coming through this window that it's a lot of glare. Plus we are basically in the toy room. And on another note, while I'm opening this, I'm going to talk and try to do things at once. It's the 4 Seasons. Came shrink wrapped. It came in a little bubble envelope thing since it's a small diamond painting. I forgot what the other one was. Oh, Soulmates. There we go. I thought of it. Soulmates is the other one. That was for free. So if you never ordered from Diamond Art Club and want to try them and you're on a budget in a way like I am, $8.95 I only had to pay for shipping just to try them out. Why not? So I'm very excited. But on another note, I finally ordered a tripod for my phone because I do all my recording through my phone. So I think that would be 10 times better than putting you guys like this and then changing the view. And you could get, you know, selfie mode, like I said, never come out clear when I'm trying to give you guys close up on things. So I got it. Oh, I was wondering if I was going to get the official kit or not, since I was only paying for shipping. So if this is your first time, we'll do this together, because I know one of my mom's neighbors sometimes watches my video and she wants to get into diamond painting and has never done it yet. So if I'm a little detailed on certain things in my video, it's because of people that I know that might watch my videos and never done it. So this is the bag, and it tells you what it comes with on the bottom. That's a nice bag. It comes with this blue pen. It comes with the 3 placer, which I don't use any of my placers because I never have any luck trying to place them. It comes with a fair amount of baggies. Heart wax. A grippy, which I'm still using my Houlihan grippy. And a small little plastic tray. Alright, let's move this stuff out the way. I haven't done any of my twin owl yet. Today is April 9th, and I just got done doing that Houlihan video for you guys. I uploaded. So this one will not be uploaded the same day. Sorry, I gotta spread my videos out. So again, let me show you what it is. And all the ones you're gonna get free out of the 3 you choose, I think they're all like 20 by 30 centimeters. And I think that's the whole canvas and not the picture. But I've been eyeballing this, and I know there's been a lot of unboxing videos on the 4 Seasons. But this is my first time touching the canvas. Oh my goodness, that is soft. People aren't lying when they say it's soft. It's like velvet. Yes, it is. Oh, I couldn't like fall asleep on this. It's like a pillow. All right, let's check it out. My first Diamond Art Club. So they give you a little advertisement and they show you how to do it. Diamond Art Club, like I said, they're on the higher side with their prices. But I'm a person, I like florals, and there's got to be only certain things that really stand out for me to get a diamond painting. I'm kind of on the picky side. I don't like portrait of other people. I've never been like that. Having, you know, different people hanging on my wall, people I don't even know. But here they are. I'm sorry, it's upside down. But do what makes you sparkle. All the pretty colors. We'll open those in a second. So soft. I weren't lying, so soft. Oh. So. Far away, yeah. It looked like it's gonna look awesome. Close up, it looks like a little bit of a jumble mess, like with most diamond paintings. But it's pretty. Like I said, I always want to try this one, so for $8.95, why not? It says a 20 by 30. It shows you what it's right there, what we looked at the box. I can't see the camera, so hopefully you guys seen that. I'm sorry if you guys don't. Let me grab out my little trusty paper ruler from the doctor's office. And see, is it a 20 by 30? It's a little off from being 30. It's a little off from being 30. It's only like a smidget off. And yeah, same here, a little smidge off from being 20. So it's not typically, so it's not the whole canvas. It's a 20 by 30, the picture. So I've got that wrong. I'm sorry. I'm trying to go by what other ones said in their videos if I can remember. But 31 colors. Wow. So on the chart, you do have the number, the symbol, and the DMC. So I have 31 colors, a good size chart. It's more than half of the diamond painting. And let's see what their baggies say, because this is my first time. I know we all don't like that noise. Me, I like it because it sounds like wrapping, and I'm unwrapping something. And hey, you gotta expect it. They are not in number order, which is fine. But they do have the DMCs written on each bag, nice and clear. Nice and clear, as you can see. And I do have a little one that's a little different than the other ones. And this is a round. I'm not sure if I said that. So let me just do a quick count, make sure I have all my colors here. And they're very beautiful, just like everyone else said. Very beautiful colors. And I have a stowaway in that 798 blue. I have a red one in there. I'm just going to do a quick of the colors because I know some people like to see them, some people don't. I like that 814, it's like a dark burgundy color. So all the beautiful colors. I love this orange 720. It's a pretty orange. We're gonna go the other way. So that's a nice blue. Almost like an ice type of blue. Very pretty blues. And then the last one is the 823. I think I showed you guys that one. And that was it. quick unboxing of my very first Diamond Art Club. It's so soft. Yeah. But, so it's the Four Seasons tree, so you can put it any way you want on your wall. And this wall right here, I'm gonna put my diamond painting that I already framed. I haven't stuck it up yet because my husband wants me to put it in the bedroom. I don't want to do that because I want people to see it. But he wants to put it up in the bedroom, so when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you see is thankful, grateful, blessed. Which I understand, but I'm not up in my room all day. So I'd rather have it down here on this wall so I can see it every time I walk to go outside or every time I come into this room to do my diamond painting. But I think I'm going to put it there. He can get mad all he wants. But thank you for watching. And if you haven't, like I said, go on Facebook. If you haven't ordered a diamond painting yet from Diamond Art Club, and see if they have the advertisement on your feed. I don't go on Facebook a lot. I'm not in any groups or anything because it gets too political on Facebook with some of my friends and things of that nature. But I go on there to like some people's pictures of their kids and stuff, and basically I put pictures up from my family and any Bible verses from my morning reading I put up. You never know, that might help somebody out during the day. But that's it. I don't really go on Facebook too much. So, yep. So, Diamond Art Club. Try to get yours for $8.95. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.